87% of people who use Capcut are not aware of these AI tools on Capcut.
And on this video, we are going to be sharing 10 AI tools on Capcut that will make amateurs in video editing look like professionals.
Are you excited already?
We are too.
Let's jump right into the video. Fashion designers, this AI tool on Capcut can turn your images from this to this. Now let's see how it works. To get started, you need to have taken a picture of your design, preferably on a white background or any solid color. On Capcut, tap on expand and tap on AI model. Select the sex of the model, so depending on your design, if it's a male clothes or female clothes. Once you're done with that, you tap on this check sign, and then the next thing you move over into adding your design. To do that, tap on the plus sign and select your design from your gallery. Once you select your design, you tap on add. Once your design has been added, you move straight into poses. Select which of the poses that you want the model to look. And once you're done with that, you tap on generate.
Hey guys, you're welcome to the channel. If you're yet to join our community on YouTube, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you can join our community, and make sure to drop a like button on this video and ensure to stick around because more of these AI tools on Capcut is going to blow your mind. The next feature on Capcut, or the AI tool on Capcut, is the product photo AI. Now this product photo AI helps you to turn your boring product images into an actual professionally shot. I'm going to show you how it's done. Right now on my Capcut mobile, I'm going to first tap on the expand, just as she said, and then I'm going to select product photos. Now the next thing, I'm going to just select one of these product perfumes. You must have, of course, taken a picture of your perfume. Get a shot on a solid color background, most preferably white. All right. Then I'm going to tap on allow, and it's going to load in the pictures. Now the next thing you can see is I've taken out the background of the perfume, all right, of the picture. Now you can scroll through all of the templates provided for you and make a choice of your most preferred product photo.
Next AI tool is the AI poster. Now the AI poster allows you to be able to create beautiful graphics for your brand. You need to go into the AI poster feature. When you tap on it, it's in two categories. So we have the smart script category and we have the advanced script that allows you to be able to put in custom prompts. For the smart scripts, you can make use of any template that you're currently seeing on the screen. For example, this particular poster, you would need to input the product that you want to showcase. Then when you scroll down, you can then choose to select the size and the category for your business. The advanced script allows you to now put in your own custom prompts. You need to add the title of your product, the description of your product, and also more details about your product, and then you tap on generate.
This next AI tool is the one that we do not need to introduce afresh. So if you've used your Midjourney, if you've used your Leonardo and the rest of them, you're already acquainted with the text to image AI tools. But on Capcut, there's also a text to image AI. Now over here is the text to image, and when you open it, Capcut's text to image feature, it's not going to be as good as the ones that are well trained on Copilot or Midjourney, right? Over here, you can go ahead and write your prompt of an African boy walking down an Amazon forest. When we tap on generate, you're going to see some extra options. So you can see the image reference button over here. All right, then you can see some other options like the aspect ratio, of course, the style, if you want it anime style or general, and the quality as well. Then once you're done, you can go ahead and tap on generate.
The next AI tool is the remove background tool. Still on Capcut, tap on the remove background. Select the image that you want to take out the background. You have options of using the auto select, the quick select, the manual select, and once you're done, the background has already been removed, and then you tap on export, and that's how you're able to take out your background from your image.
This next AI tool is quite amazing. The only challenge here is that you're not going to see it on your Capcut mobile, right? You can only see it either on the Capcut web or if you are using a tablet. All right, and it is called the script to video. Now, what this does is that just like some other AI tools where you can just type a script and then the AI automatically generates a video for you. Okay. So what you're going to do is on your tablet, or when you go to the Capcut.com web version, that's where you can also see this. Tap on the script to video, then you can see write your own script or use the AI writer. So I'm going to use the AI writer because there's going to be no time to do this. So I'm going to tap on the tech info, for instance, and then you can see AI tools for content creation. Now I'm going to say the highlights. So it's going to recommend easy to use. So let's say easy to use, what's new, whatever, right? Then the next one is now the duration of the video. I'm going to keep it at 1 minute. All right. Then the next thing, I'm just going to tap on generate and then wait for the magic to happen. The first thing first, the script have been generated. So he said, hello, tech enthusiasts, today's hot topic, yada, 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 right? Now, the next thing is to tap on create video. Of course, if you do not like the script, you can always modify it however way you want. Now, the next thing I'm going to tap on is smart generation or local material. So what this means is local material means you've already downloaded all of your stock footages or stock images that you want to use for this purpose. But if you do not have, then simply save your head and tap on smart generation and the AI is going to do the magic for you.
The next AI tool that we're going to be looking at is the text to audio. If you don't want to use the popular 11 Labs audio generation tool, on Capcut, you can now put in your text and get an audio result.
And it's very, very free.
To get started, select the video that you've already recorded and then go over to your tests, scroll, and then you're going to see the text to audio. Tap on the text to audio. Tap in to enter your script.
Now, there is an option that we may not highlight out. So let's just add it as one of the AI tools of Capcut. Though you must have also seen it when we did the script to video. And that is this option, which is the AI writer, which is literally like your ChatGPT on Capcut. So with the AI writer, if you do not have all the time to write your script, you can use the AI writer, give it a prompt, and it's going to generate a script for you.
So we tap on the AI writer and then put in your requirements, theme, and style. So for example, let me put the IT for business. Next,
Yes,
on the enter and then wait for it to generate the script. Now we have our script. So if the script is comfortable with you, fine. If you want to do some edits, you could just go over and add some edits. And once you're done with that, tap on use.
Okay.
And then tap on done. Select a free voice that you want to use. Once you're comfortable with the voice, you can then tap on check and then tap on
Hey there, fellow small business owners. Today,
tap on the check button and then tap on next.
Now the captions are generating. So what it does is that it generates the caption. So if you can see this, all right, it generates both the caption, no, not the caption that is already in the video. That one was originally edited, but this one below here is actually the caption for from the text to audio that was generated. So this is quite awesome. It's like using one stone to kill two birds. This AI tool on Capcut is quite awesome. In fact, I did a video related to something like this. I can check it out up here. All right. But this time on Capcut, it's just one button doing all of that for you. And that is converting from a vertical video or a 9:16 video into a 16:9 video, or landscape to portrait or portrait to landscape. I'm going to tap on the new project. So I have a video right here. This video was shot of portrait. Okay, I'm going to add. And when I select the video, and then I'm just going to swipe until you see auto reframe. All right. So when I tap on the auto reframe, you can see I can change the video's aspect ratio. So now let's try to change it to 9:16. There's an awesome feature that tracks the face of the character in the video, converting it from landscape to portrait. Then I can now tap check. Okay. Now this video have automatically been converted to portrait. So the next thing I'm going to do is now to just change the actual video's aspect ratio to 9:16, and then we have the video this way. Okay. Now, one more to say, what will it do if you now say that convert this video from portrait to landscape? I'm going to try to add the video. So let me just tap on add here. and add the video. So now this is the portrait video. So we're going to go back to our auto reframe, and then we're going to change it to 16:9. All right. So let's see what it's actually going to do. Okay. So you can see it now trying to focus the face of the character.
Yeah.
Right. That's quite smart. So let's change the aspect ratio to 16:9 as well. And now we have this. Well, the quality is kind of reduced, but then it actually did a good job there.
And that's a wrap on the 10 AI features on Capcut. So we would like to know which of these AI features blew your mind and which of them will you be using going forward. Please let us know in the comment section.
And if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, once again, do make sure to hit the circle button with our beautiful faces on it to subscribe. And you can also watch more videos on our channel. We've done tons and tons of videos for you to use your smartphones productively and profitably. Should be showing on your screen right now. And with this, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you
On the next one.